Effect of potential on photoelectric current. What if we keep the intensity of the light is constant and frequency of light also constant, which is greater than threshold frequency of the metal? Then, and we are also increasing the positivity plate potential at the anode plate. If we increase the positivity at the anode plate, what happens? The electrons which are knocked out by the light will be received and will be accelerated towards positive plate. Therefore, the current increases gradually. As the positivity is increasing, the amount of current also increases gradually. But remember, the intensity of the light we kept constant. And this potential we call it as accelerating potential. But the electrons can be accelerated up to certain stage, and the photocurrent will be reaches to maximum, and thereafter the photocurrent cannot be increased. That state we call it as saturation current. Why? Because since the electrons are being accelerated towards anode plate, the rate at which electrons moves towards anode plate increases, but there is a limit for every cathode plate to emit the number of electrons, because the intensity of the light we kept constant. Therefore, number of electrons emitted per second will be fixed, but whatever the number of electrons are emitted by the light from the cathode plate can be accelerated towards anode plate. Therefore, the photoelectric current can be increased up to a certain extent, but beyond that the photocurrent can be saturated. We also call that current as saturated current, and we also call this voltage as accelerating voltage. Now what happens if we apply a negative potential on plate A? Example, if we, instead of applying positive potential, if we started applying a negative potential on plate A with respect to C. Compared to C, we are applying more negativity. Then what happens? These electrons will experience a repulsive force. Therefore, the rate at which the electrons move towards to the anode will be decreases. So, if we keep on increases the anode plate, though the photoelectric effect, though the light is removing the electrons from the cathode plate and sending it towards to the anode, because the anode plate negativity increases, the electrons will not reach to the anode plate. Therefore, there will be no photocurrent absorbed by the microammeter, and this potential we call it as cutoff potential or stopping potential. The potential at which the anode is being given, by that the photoelectric effect or the photocurrent in the circuit will become zero. The photocurrent in the circuit will be zero. The potential at which the photocurrent appeared in the circuit will be zero, and that potential we call it as cutoff potential. And the potential at which the electrons are accelerated towards to the anode plate, we call it as accelerating potential. That happens only when anode plate is given positivity. And let us see the graph how it varies. So in the graph it is very clearly been shown. So on the x-axis I have taken it as a potential, on the y-axis I have taken it as a photocurrent. So from here, when the potential value increases positively, the current increases small amount, thereafter it acquires the saturation. For a different intensities, the experiment is being conducted. But when the negativity on the anode plate is increasing, then what happens? The photocurrent value also decreases. Finally, they comes to a common point. We call that as a stopping potential.